Welcome everybody to the primary school's interprovincial final at Merensky High School here in Sanin. We look forward to the day today. We've got all the top schools and all the top riders from across South Africa here. It's going to be a fantastic 2 days of racing. Of course, today is the schools. Tomorrow, all the provinces, the top 3 riders that are representing each province against one another.
I want to greet everybody and say welcome here in Limpopo. Baie welkom hier by Skole Nationals. We are so honored. It's such a privilege to host this here at Merensky High School. Ons gaan 'n fantastiese dag hê. Dit gaan bietjie warm wees. Ons het 'n fantastiese trek vir julle voorberei and have a great racing day.
Dis 'n fees, dis so 'n voorreg en wat 'n ondervinding om hier te kan wees en om al hierdie talent van hierdie klein kindertjies raak te sien.
Temperature is extremely hot and the competition is very strong.
For us being day one, you know, a bit of nerves obviously for the kids, but once they went around the track with practice runs, they have settled, you know, got to see how beautiful the track is. Nice flowing track.
From provincials, it's breathtaking because the place itself is beautiful.
Dit is verskriklik warm. Ek moet sê die senuwees is nog warmer.
Fietsry is lekker want jy kan dit doen met jou maats en jy kan oefen met jou maats.
To be part of this sport is really an honor because it's something that they can cherish and they can take with them forever.
Ek hou van fietsry want ek ontmoet baie nuwe vriende. Dis net lekker om rond te reis met jou vriende en dit te geniet en kompetisie te hê.
What an epic year it's been for school cycling. It's been great to see the guys cycling and it's been a proud moment for Sox Footwear to support all the athletes. We look forward to joining them again and supporting them again next year.
Today at the Nationals, it was very hot, but also very nice. Very dusty, but the trails are awesome. I enjoy school cycling because I like to travel and I love cycling. It's one of my favorite sports to do.
Ecologic Pro Sport wishes all the riders, all these lovely children and their parents, all the best of luck with the races that are lying ahead, and really looking forward to seeing them again at the next event next year.
As day one here at Interprovincials, it's an amazing day. Children are having fun, track is superb. I tell you, you cannot ask for a better day.
And away they go, 12 girls, here we go! Dit lyk my na so goed wat voorkom hier so. Aan die ander kant daai een van Gauteng wat hier kom.
Fietsry is vir ons 'n lekker sport. Dit bring ons almal bymekaar. Waarvan ons hou is dat dit nie net jou eie familie is wat jy ontmoet nie, maar ons het 'n groter fietsry community.
Die Nationals fietsry is dit verskriklik warm, maar dit is lekker. Die lekkerste deel van die baan is die berms.
Ons as familie is baie lekker want ons kan dit saam doen. My dogtertjie geniet dit verskriklik en dit is my lekker dat sy dit geniet. So ja, en is iets wat sy kan aanhou doen as sy ouer is.
So vandag by Interprovincials is dit vrek warm, vrek taaf, maar die girls ry 'n goeie reis.
Vandag hier by Nationals, dis baie lekker hier so die baan, alles is fantasties hier so en al het ek geval, dit was ook 'n lekker val.
And away they go down the 14 boys in the Olympic sport here. He's a four-man of a flat out there is working.
kindertjies is super voorberei vir hierdie dag. Weer eens aan Merensky wat hierdie baan vir ons gebou het. Baie dankie, dis beautiful. Almal love it en hulle kan nie ophou praat oor die jumps nie.
Dit stuk van die baan is die groot hobbel wat daaronder is vir my. Jy kan hom lekker hoog spring as jy wil.
Today here at Nationals, the jumps are fun, the track is exciting.
Vandag hier by die Nationals is vreeslik warm, maar baie lekker. Die kinders het hulle beste gegee. Hard gewerk, maar dit is baie lekker hier.
The path to getting our children to this provincial race has been amazing. They have grown stronger and stronger at every race, got more and more at every race. You know what? It is just one fantastic growth. We've got new riders here that didn't even ride this last year for the first time this year, and they've shown their strength. It's really been amazing, and they're actually on the track at the moment as the Sprogs are busy racing at the moment.
It's been amazing. It's been hot out there for the boys. I don't think in the Eastern Cape they're used to this kind of heat, but yeah, it's been amazing bringing families together. Yeah, so it's been a good day and a beautiful school to be riding at.
Nog een by die Nationals, dit was lekker. Die baan is punchy en ons baie stof. En dit was 'n moeilike dag.
Today has been absolutely incredible. It's a fantastic atmosphere. The riders have been really showing the grit in this incredible harsh heat. Fantastic to see so many kids at an event like this, coming from all around the provinces. It's just an awesome experience.
My eerste dag hier by Nationals was lekker. Die lekkerste ding van die route is die downhill en die slegste ding is die opdraandes.
Day one of the primary schools interprovincial final has come to an end, where all the schools have really showcased all the talent, the best riders from the best schools across South Africa. We want to thank everyone that came out today. It was hot, but they made it worth seeing all the riders. We now look forward to the gala evening tonight, where we will do the prize giving of the top 5 riders, and then obviously crown best boys team, best girls team, and then obviously top school of South Africa primary schools.
Good evening, everybody. A very warm welcome from Limpopo and Merensky High School. Welcome here at this official prize giving and gala evening.
The celebration of passion, perseverance, and also performance.
Ons glo dat skoolfietsry nog vir lank sal voortleef en hierdie was net 'n droom wat waar geword het om skoolfietsry ook vir laerskole te hê. So well done from my side and from school cycling side that you all came along. And we definitely had a fantastic day. Thank you.
Dis nie net die wenners wat vanaand hier bo staan, wat champions is nie. Een en elkeen wat deelgeneem het vandag. You are all champions.
The top school for 2025 at Primary School Nationals, Constantia Park.
Good morning everybody, we hope you enjoy the day with us. We are at Merensky High School for the Interprovincial Finals, and we look forward to the day where the top provinces throughout South Africa is competing to be crowned provincial champion.
I would like to wish all the provinces a very strong and hearty day after yesterday's heat. Ek hoop julle gaan dit vandag baie geniet. Sterkte aan almal en gaan groot vandag aan die provinsie klere.
And we are so looking forward to seeing how the kids perform out there on this incredible course. I think they've done an incredible job. It's been an amazing year, building them up, getting them to this point, and it really is going to be absolutely phenomenal watching each and every rider go out there and put their heart and soul into it. Vandag is by die Interprovincials, geniet die kinders dit vreeslik, die gees is lekker, almal ondersteun almal. Hier is dit nou nie meer skole teen skole nie, so ons is nou almal deel van een groot provinsie en ons geniet die samestelling vreeslik.
Dag 2 hier by Merensky is baie lekker. Is lekker bewolk vandag, so die natuurlike sambrele is hier so oor ons. Gister was verskriklik warm geweest, maar die kinders is baie opgewonde en ek dink vandag gaan 'n fantastiese dag wees.
Goeiemôre, dit is 'n voorreg om by Hoërskool Merensky te wees. Laerskool Constantia Park was gisterand by 'n ongelooflike gala aand gewees en ons is die nommer 1 skool in die land. Baie dankie aan die Gauteng span en baie dankie aan elke ryer, elke ouer wat hier is om hierdie groot national geleentheid saam met ons te deel.
Vandag by die Nationals is verskriklik warm. Ons is van die Noord-Kaap af. Dit is lekker om te sien hoe al die provinsies te mekaar kan kompeteer as een land saam.
Dag 2 by die SA Nationals en ek sien uit daarna om myself uit te daag op hierdie nuwe baan, om nuwe maatjies te maak en myself te probeer push om eerste te kom.
So
very excited to be here in Sanin for the Nationals for the primary schools. Ending 2025 off on a high. I think there were a lot of happy kids this year, performing, being happy, and we're also happy to support all the kids with the Gutsy shirts.
Vandag dag 2 is dis baie exciting en ek moet net my beste gee.
Die atmosfeer is ongelooflik. Jy kan sien die ouers is ingekoop en die kinders ry pragtig. Die talent is volop, baie opwindend.
So die gees is net fantasties hier so by Merensky. Die ouers hop op en af, die provinsies hop op en af, die kinders hop op en af en hulle bly nie van hulle fietsse af nie. Dis net fantasties. Kan nie vir iets beters en lekkerders vra nie.
Mooi Mia, super nice.
Die oploop tot hierdie event is regtig vir die kinders 'n ongelooflike ervaring. Die ouers se ondersteuning. Ja, dit is regtig 'n ongelooflike samevatting van ouers, skole, elke provinsie se effort wat hier ingaan is regtig word raak gesien.
Dis baie cool. Die kinders love it. Die trek is amazing.
Digte span, ons is al 14 jaar lank in die bedryf. Ons is graag betrokke by die skole mountainbikes. Dit is vir ons belangrik om te sien dat die kinders van kleintyd af op fietsse is. Happy bumps met happy faces all over the show. Wij wens al die ryers absolute sterkte en suksesvolle reis vandag. Baie dankie.
Dit was 'n lang jaar gewees, maar harde werk, die kinders se deursettingsvermoë en die guts wat hulle gewys het om te groei van laas jaar na nou toe was ongelooflik.
Ja, ons het baie goeie deelname gehad. Ons het vandag 3 spanne hierso, 2 dogterspanne en 1 seunspan. So ons kinders doen regtig goed. Hulle het die seisoen baie geniet.
But actually, it's really bonding. We're here as a family, we're all cyclists, so, you know, just to watch them grow, you know, from taking them on the trails where we had to babysit them and now we can't keep up. It's awesome to be able to see them race at this level, and the community, the school that's come together, the friends that have come together, and it just takes you to beautiful places in the country that you wouldn't have gone to.
Het
phenomenal growth in KZN. On the back of sponsorship from Cycle Lab, we've seen record numbers at our events at the Interschool Series, with over 550 riders at our final event. It's been amazing. KZN is ready for one last push to make this an exceptional finish to our season. Really pumped to show them what we can do.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
By gisteraand se gala aand het Harry Smit en dan Harry Smit skole vir Vrystaat skole het ons die seuns en die dogters mix spanne gewen. En ja, die kinders maak ons trots en ons hoop hulle geniet dit en ons hoop hulle hou aan om dit te geniet. En dan Vrystaat skole wil net baie dankie sê vir al die ouers, al die kinders, almal wat gekom het, al die skole. Die skole is ver uit mekaar uit in die Vrystaat. So ons doen regtig moeite om die kinders daar te kry en daar te hou. En laat hulle kan aan die fietsry deelneem. Ons waardeer die ouers se tyd en die ouers wat die borge is vir die kinders om te kan fietsry.
Al die Noordwes skole, baie dankie. Die kinders, julle is uitstekend, die ouers vir julle ondersteuning en ons julle gaan baie daarin. Ons waardeer julle regtig opreg en baie sterkte vir die res van die jaar en ons kan nie wag om julle volgende jaar weer te sien nie.
Right, it was great training for the boys to get here. A lot of hard work. A lot of climbing, a lot of hours on the bike. Boy, the atmosphere was phenomenal, eh? I mean, the parents bring it, the organizers bring it, the sponsors bring it. So yeah, it was a fantastic day.
What a fantastic event. I've got so many people to say thank you to, and also a very emotional event for me. Schools yesterday, fantastic gala evening. And the provinces again showed today, the podiums were all different. And great racing right up to the end. Ek wil net sê baie dankie aan almal. It takes a team to put this all together. From photographers to track guy officials, to guys from SA schools and the whole of Limpopo. Baie dankie, ek's baie lief vir julle.
We've come to the end of the 2025 Interprovincial Finals here at Merensky Landbou School. We are extremely proud of all the provinces that took part, all the schools and the best riders that made this final an unbelievable day. Ons is baie bevoorreg om almal hier te gehad het vir die 2025 interprovinsiale finaal. Ons kon nie gevra het vir beter nie. Dit was 'n ongelooflike dag met al ons beste ryers van ons provinsies reg oor Suid-Afrika wat hierdie naweek baie spesiaal gemaak het. Ons wil vir elkeen baie dankie sê dat hulle uitgekom het. Thank you for the weekend's racing here at Merensky. We look forward to seeing you next year. Baie dankie almal. Ons sien julle beslis weer volgende jaar.
AMP Broadcast and content creators.